Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on our HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can restart your OnePlus phone without hover button. So in order to do that, you will need to enable the shortcut for the accessibility menu, which you can do by launching settings. Then you gotta enter the additional settings, go for the accessibility, open the accessibility menu page, and turn on the shortcut toggle. Now, once this toggle appears at the side of your screen, tap on it, choose the power menu launch, and in here simply slide this little circle to the top until it reaches the restart option or whatever, and then let your finger go, and as you can see, our smartphone gets rebooted right away. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.